Okay. Hello and good day, everyone. Today, we are going to discuss about finding the equation given its roots. Okay? So this time naman, given yung roots, ang hahanapin natin is yung equation. No? Kasi yung mga previous lessons natin in solving quadratic equations, sinahanap natin roots. This time, given ang roots, hahanapin natin yung equation. How to find the equation given its roots? Okay? Especially in quadratic equation. No? So here, no, rewrite the given roots in x plus c equal to 0 form. No? So i-rewrite natin sila sa ganitong form. And then multiply the factors by FOIL method. Then arrange the terms in descending order or descending power of x. Okay, so ibig sabihin may pinakamataas na degree o yung exponent, yun ang nasa unahan. Okay? Then add or subtract the similar terms. Example, we have here -2 and 7. No? Find the equation or the quadratic equation given the roots -2 and 7. Okay? So first thing to do, no? We have here x equal to -2. Automatic yan kasi nga roots sila eh. Automatic yung x equal to -2 and equal to 7. Then now, we will transpose -2 to the other side, magiging x plus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Then, enclose it in parentheses para maging factor siya. Sunod, transpose 7 to the other side, magiging x minus 7 equal to 0. Then, enclose it in parentheses para maging factor din. Then, equal to 0. Now, use the FOIL method no, to find the quadratic equation. No? We have here, for the first terms, we have x times x equal to x squared. No? FOIL method, na-discuss na to during your grade 8. No? So, kumbaga, kayang-kaya na yan na to. The outer terms, we have x times -7 equal to -7x. I, or the inner terms, is equal to 2 times x equal to 2x. Last terms is equal to 2 times -7 equal to -14. Then now, arrange natin, no? Unahin natin x squared, sunod yung -7x, next yung 2x, minus 12 equal to 0. So dito, we will combine the similar terms. Yung similar dito is yung -7x tsaka positive 2x. So -7x plus 2x, that is equal to -5x minus 14 equal to 0. So ito yung magiging quadratic equation natin. Okay? Next, given the roots 3/4 and 3, now find the equation. Okay? So this time, sinamahan natin ng fraction. Okay? Again, x equal to 3/4 yan. Since roots yung 3/4 siya kayong 3, then we will multiply both sides by 4 para matanggal natin denominator, para mas madali natin ma-transpose, no, o ma-rewrite yung expression into this form. Okay? So tanggal natin denominator. To remove it, we will multiply both sides by positive 4. 4 times x is 4x. Then sell this out, ang tira 3. Then transpose 3 to the other side, magiging 4x minus 3 equal to 0. Then enclose it in parentheses. Next is yung x equal to 3. Transpose 3 to the other side, magiging x minus 3 equal to 0. Then enclose it in parentheses ulit, equal to 0. So 2 factors na. Again, using the FOIL method, 4x times x, 4x times -3, -3 times x, -3 times -3. Yan. 4x times x, that is 4x squared. 4x times -3, that is -12x. -3 times x is -3x. -3 times -3 is +9. Then combine the similar terms. We have 4x squared, -12x minus 3x, that is -15 kasi nga para sila ng negative sign, no? Negative sign sila parehas. Plus 9 equal to 0. So ito yung magiging quadratic equation given the roots 3/4 and 3. Okay? The next, complex number naman, no? Kasama dito yung may square root, no? Doon sa quadratic formula may mga roots tayo na ganito. O kaya sa completing base square may mga sagot tayong ganito. Okay. Now, given naman to, hahanapin natin yung quadratic equation. Okay? So again, since root siya, no, we have x equal to 2 plus or minus the square root of 3. Transpose 2 to the other side, making x minus 2 equal to positive or negative the square root of 3. Then, maglagay tayo ng square both sides para matanggal tong square root sign, no? May 2 dito ha, hindi ko lang nailagay. Now, ayusin ko para naman hindi kayo mahirapan. White kasi kaya di makita. Yan. Okay, yan. Now, may square root, may exponent na 2 both sides. Then, square natin x minus 2. We have x raised to 2 plus 2 times x times negative 2 plus negative 2 squared equal to 3 na lang. Tanggal na yung square root. Siyempre, pag natanggal yung square root, tanggal na rin itong plus or minus. Then x raised to 2 is x squared. 2 times x times negative 2 is negative 4x. Negative 2 squared is positive 4 equal to 3. Then transpose 3 to the other side, making x squared minus 4x plus 4 minus 3 equal to 0. Then that is equal to 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay. Now the quadratic equation is x squared minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay? So meron din tayong another method, no? In finding the quadratic equation given its roots. Okay? By using the sum and the product of the roots. Example, find the equation given the roots 3 and negative 2. So given yung roots dito, no? Gagamitin naman natin yung sum and product of the roots nila. Your R here is 3, your S is negative 2. Sabi ko last video lesson, no, na pwede mag-interchange yan. Pwede si R maging negative 2, si S maging positive 3. No, pwede yan, pwede. Di yan mababago yung result kahit pagkapalit sila. Now, since sum of the roots ang gagamitin natin, no, we have R plus S equal to negative B over by A. Now, your R is 3, your S is negative 2, equal to negative B over by A. 3 plus negative 2, that is 1, equal to negative B over by A. Para matanggal yung negative sign, we will multiply both sides by negative 1. Negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. The negative B over by A times negative 1 is positive BA. Therefore, your BA here is negative 1. Meron tayong sum. How about the product? No? We have RS equal to C over by A. Multiply 3 times negative 2. That is negative 6. Okay, then gagamitin na natin itong modify na standard form, no? Actually, dapat yung A nandito yan, no? Way back doon sa pag-arrange ng terms in a standard form of quadratic equation. Okay? Pero ang ginawa natin, no, dinivide natin each terms by A para mapunta si A dito, para makuha natin yung sum at saka yung product. Okay, copying x squared. Okay? Your BA here is negative 1. X, your CA is negative 6 equal to 0. Okay, simplify, x squared, negative 1 times x is negative x, okay, minus 6 equal to 0. So ito yung magiging quadratic equation na. Excuse me. Okay? Dali lang. Next, what is the quadratic equation if the sum of the roots is 7/3 and the product is negative 2. This time, no, sum at saka product na mismo ang given. No? Hindi na natin kailangan hanapin yung product at saka yung sum kasi given na dito. So how can we find the quadratic equation? Okay, your sum here is 7/3 and then yung product is negative 2. Using this formula, no, substitute your 3 plus s by 7/3 equal to negative b over by a. Multiply both sides by negative 1. So we have negative 7/3 equal to b over by A. Then for the product, no, your RS, nung palitan natin ng negative 2, equal to C over by A. Ganun lang. Substitute, no, your B over by A to negative 7/3 X plus your CA is negative 2 equal to 0. Simplify, you have here, now multiply both sides by 3 para matanggal si 3 dito. So we have 3x squared. Cancel this out, may negative 7x. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6 equal to 0. Ito yung magiging quadratic equation niya. Okay? So, mas madali lang. It's up to you naman kung ito or yung FOIL method. Pero ito, applicable lang to kapag kayong roots are whole numbers or integers at saka fraction. Pero kung may radical sign or may square root, hindi siya pwedeng gamitin. Okay? exercise. Now, find the equation of the roots, no? 4 and negative 9. Okay? So, paano natin hanapin yung equation of the, yung quadratic equation? Oh, gagamitin ko dito yung sum and product of the roots. Okay? So, r plus s equal to negative b over by a. You have 4 plus negative 9. That is negative 5. Then multiply both sides by negative 1. Then your 5 here is positive equal to BA. Positive na sila kasi na-multiply tayo ng negative on both sides. Then for the product, we have 4 times negative 9. That is negative 36. Using this one, substitute x squared. Yung BA mo palitan ng 5. Then copy yung x. Yung CA mo palitan ng negative 36 equal to 0. So di ko lang lagyan equal to 0 dito. Wait, I will put that one para clear sa inyo. Okay, equal to 0. Okay, next, find the equation of the roots. So, given the following roots, negative 1/2 and negative 4. O, ganun pa rin, gamitin ko yung sum and product. Negative 1/2 plus negative 4 for the sum, that is equal to negative 9/2, no? So, di ko na babalikan yung tungkol sa addition of fractions, no? Ibigyan ko lang kayo ng hint para nakuha negative 9/2. Kailangan ng LCD. Okay? Negative 9/2 equals to negative b over by a. Para sila negative. Multiply both sides by negative 1. Then we have 9/2 equals to b over by a. Next, for the sum, multiply natin negative 1/2 times negative 4. That is 2. Paano naging 2? 1 times negative 4 is 4. Divide by 2, that is 2. Times negative, positive. Then we have x squared plus ba over by ba x plus c over by a equal to 0. Substitute, no, your b over by a to 9/2, your c over by a to 2. Multiply both sides by 2. Then we have 2x squared. Cancel out to. Naging 9x na lang. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay. Third one. We have 4 plus or minus the square root of 2. So ito, babalik ako sa FOIL method. Okay. So we have x equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 2 transpose 4. Naging negative 4 yan. No? Then, square both sides. No? The square of x minus 4 raised to 2 is x squared minus 8x plus 16. Then, remove the radical sign here or the square root sign. Naging 2 na lang. Transpose 2 to the other side. We have x squared minus 8x plus 16 minus 2 equal to 0. Then, the equation is x squared minus 8x plus 14 equal to 0. Yan. Okay. That's it, no? For today's lesson, no? Again, do not forget to answer exercises, no? And please like, comment, and subscribe na rin dito sa channel na to. Okay, that's all. Goodbye and God bless.